Gets the runner on ticket. We are back from well we go up and running live at the Lakers Salavi Stadium. Captain on the side is Mabel. Swings the ball to the left side each time. Open up eyes, Jaina. Good pass forward now for Taya Abubakar. This boy is lovely to play. So much lovely to watch. Exceptional on the field of play. Chance to score! Inter Lagos are in front for the second time. They come into the yard area and it's the midfielder. So much lovely to watch. Exceptional on the field of play. Chance to score! Ibrahim, who opened the scoring for the Lagos. Timothy Zakaria in a very much promising area inside the yard. Timothy, chance for second goal! 3 points cleared and shot. A big thank you to Timothy Zakaria with a page of run. Well, ball swings in, delivered well. Owade Shegu in a very much well positioned area. Tapped the ball into the back of the net, very much easy. A birthday gift to the head coach. An happy birthday to the head coach, Gabriel Ezenwa, who is making a remarkable way. And this game now, Dennis Unzai swings in forward. A painful ending. Inter Lagos away from home have poisoned the heart of the Crown side and have given them. This is unimaginable. Painful ending for Crown FC. From the start of the season, they were hoping to get themselves the top flight football. The dream is over. The imagination, it's becoming a rogue overhanding. Come back next season. It's the message Inter Lagos are passing right now. Let's get the party started. Start the party now. Let's start rocking Lagos. It's the message being passed by the Inter Lagos player. They are going to celebrate their coach party. They are going to celebrate Shegu Owade's birthday. They are going to celebrate the head coach Gabriel Exema birthday party alongside Shegu Owade like never before. They're giving them a well-deserving birthday gift.